Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing you've made $500 while you were sleeping. No inventory, no packing, no shipping, just pure profit. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, one of the easiest ways to make money online. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how dropshipping works, how you can start with zero experience, and most importantly, how to make real money doing it. Stay till the end, because I'll be revealing a secret strategy that most beginners miss, which can double or even triple your profits. What is dropshipping? It's a business model where you sell products online, but you don't handle any inventory. When a customer buys from your store, you simply order the product from a supplier and they ship it directly to the customer. Why is this so powerful? No upfront stock costs, no warehouses, no risk of unsold inventory, just pure profit if done right. Step 1. Finding a winning product. You can't just sell anything. You need a product that is trending, solves a problem, and has a wow factor. Use tools like AliExpress, TikTok, and Google Trends to find hot products. Step 2. Setting up your store. The best platform for dropshipping? Shopify. Sign up, install a free theme, and connect it with a dropshipping app like Deezus or Zendrop. Keep your website clean, professional, and focused on the product. Step 3. Marketing your products. This is where the money is made. Use TikTok organic traffic, Instagram Reels, and Facebook ads to drive visitors to your store. Create engaging videos showcasing your product in action. This is what makes people buy. Step 4. Order fulfillment. When you get an order, simply forward it to your supplier and they'll handle the rest. Focus on keeping your customers happy with good communication and fast shipping times. Now, here's the secret strategy I promised you. Instead of just selling one product, create a branded store with a niche focus. This builds trust, allows you to sell multiple items to the same customers, and increases your store's long-term value. That's how you start making money with dropshipping. Which step are you on right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started on this journey to online wealth.